Hello, Ren. I saw you needed help coding. I am very terrible at teaching, so I thought I'd make a video instead. It's easier kind of to follow along and to see everything that happens. I am a little sick, so if I sound any like weird or anything like that, that's because I'm a little sick. So, here is my clan profile shop, right? And I'm gonna pick a random one. We're gonna do sage green. We're gonna want to click on the picture, and it leads us to a Google Doc here. So we have a Google Doc. Now, before you even do anything here, go back to your clan profile, right? You already have all your stuff in there, as I can see. I recommend copy pasting all of this so it's easier to paste in later on. Oh, whoops. I just pasted something in. So you're gonna want to, well, let me refresh this real quick. So select everything, aka you can do Control A or Control C to paste, copy it, but we're gonna copy paste this. So copy paste, copy this, and we're gonna go to a dragon. I already have it pasted in, but you're gonna want to paste what you just had in your clan profile onto a dragon or a Google Doc, whatever you prefer. I usually prefer dragons; it's easier to get to. And boom, we have our old code in there. Then we're going to go back to my Google Doc here and select all of this. Don't ignore this. This is just for like looks and stuff, but this is the actual code here. So you're going to want to copy paste this. So copy and then go here, delete all of this, and then paste the new code in, right? And then you want to save that. So now we have our new code in the clan information. So let's learn how to change all this. We can delete any of this if you'd like. So we have our clan name. This just means like it could be your name or your clan lore name. Like my lore is the Corsair Galaxy, and that's my name of my layer. But anyone else can name it something else, like your name or the party clan. I don't know. It could be whatever you'd like. So that's just for that. And all you have to do is just delete that and then say my name or hello friends or happy holidays if you'd like. That's just what this is for. So name. So now we have our name and pronouns, FR, etc. This is just for everyone to know your name. You can put your name here and your pronouns because I don't know, people like to know your pronouns. FR time, and if your PMs are open, if you are accepting friend requests, things like that go here. And this is easy. You just delete it and say friends welcome or something like that. Sorry, this is really bad. But next we have our links, and with links this is rather easy than it looks. So here as our link, this whole thing is a link right here, right? It starts with URL equals and then it ends with URL. So that's how you know the link has began and ended. So here is our name of the link. We're gonna name it. You can name it shop. We'll do profile dragon, right? And now we're going to go to a dragon, right? So don't save this. Just go over to a dragon tab, and all the way at the top, you should have your www dot whatever, right? You're going to copy paste the link, the URL of the www dot, right? We're going to go back to here, and now we see our URL equals. It should be right here. We're going to delete the stuff inside this box. Make sure it does not delete this or the equals, just this part right here. Delete that and paste in your dragon link or whatever link you'd like. You can link anything on a White Rising, and that's just how you do a link. So now we're going to save it real quick just to see what happens. Profile dragon. Now it clicked us to the dragon we linked up. So now we're going to go back to our picture of our stuff, and easy, you could just copy paste this in or copy it and then delete all this Emporium stuff and paste it in. Now with about me and about and layer, you don't have to have an about me. This could just be your layer, like your about layer or whatever. And this can be your about me if you'd like. This is easy to fix. You just delete the name of it. If you don't want an about me or an about layer, you can just delete this part and just have the text. And yeah, that's basically how to do this. just copy paste your text in and all that stuff, and it should be good, honestly. I'm not sure what else would be an issue besides the links. The links are the hardest part to remember and to get to know, but just delete this and name this. Delete this and paste your link in, and then name the link. That's about it for that.